Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Walgreens University provides training to prepare you to work in a Walgreens pharmacy, and you may receive college credit as well. Through the program, Walgreens encourages prospective pharmacy techs to get the PTCB certification.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The typical Walgreens pharmacy technician salary is $14 per hour. Pharmacy technician salaries at Walgreens can range from $10 to $57 per hour. This estimate is based upon 1473 Walgreens pharmacy technician salary reports provided by employees or estimated based upon statistical methods.
Take our lead.
The typical CVS Health pharmacy technician salary is $15 per hour. Pharmacy technician salaries at CVS Health can range from $10 to $46 per hour. This estimate is based upon 3,255 CVS Health pharmacy technician salary reports provided by employees or estimated based upon statistical methods.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.